Sorry, for the VMX babes, no? Syempre, we are in the same company. So, syempre, natutuwa kami na they look up to us. Sinasabi nga nila para daw nila kaming ate. Nakakatuwa naman yung gano'n na na-inspire sila sa amin. And syempre, being in the same company, we also want to support them as well as they want to support us. So, yun nga, sabi nga namin, instead of having any competition, it's nice that na-inspire niyo isa't isa. And sa mga ibang girl group din na lumalabas, ang gusto namin laging i-promote as a group is yung women empowerment na we have to support each other. Hindi dapat tayo magkaroon ng competition, hindi tayo dapat magkaroon ng mga inggitan, bakit mas magaling kami sa inyo. We all want to celebrate the success of each and every one. No? So, yan, sa VMX Babes, syempre, happy kami for them na nabuo sila. But they're in a different ano naman yung path nila. Different path naman sila sa, of course, different era din. Kasi syempre, mas iba naman yung grupo nila syempre sa group namin. And ganun din yung mga ibang girl group na lumalabas. I think yung mga batang girl group ngayon ang mga kasabayan nila, di ba? Oo. So, we're happy for them and we also want to support them sa mga gusto nilang gawin.
May phone-in question, follow-up daw. May isang member daw ata nagsabi na mas magaling daw sila kaysa sa inyo. Ano ba masasabi mo daw?
Sino yun? You know what, honestly, hindi pa namin kasi sila na-meet personally. And hindi din pa namin talaga kilala kung sino ba nagsabi. Oo, so wala kaming idea kung sino yung nagsabi or kung sino yung ano. But,
Zara daw?
Mas magaling saan? Mas magaling daw saan? I'm just curious.
mas magaling saan?
Magaling sumaya. Okay, of course, we know our strengths and weaknesses, di ba? So, baka, just to clarify.
Oo, what did they
I mean,
mean na mas
acting.
magaling?
So,
Acting.
I think that's a very nice motivation for them to say na mas magaling sila sa amin. And, you know, they're entitled to their own opinion. But again, eto na lang, yung sa amin siguro, we'll see after 20 years. We want to see them after 20 years. And you have to say that. Diba? You have to say that after being here in the business ng 20 years like us.
Yes, so.
Diba?
Kaya
So,
kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kumbaga yung group kasi namin, proven and tested that we had hit songs, you know, we've had so many hit movies on our own, di ba? We had so many hit shows. They need to prove that also, di ba?